What's the meaning of AST? AST. AST.
AST. AST. AST stands for Abstract Syntax Tree, which is a data structure used in computer science to represent the abstract syntactic structure of programming code. An AST can be thought of as a hierarchical tree-like structure that represents the structure of the code, without any details about how the code is executed or what it will do. ASTs are useful for analyzing and manipulating code, and are often used in compilers, interpreters, linters, and other software development tools. Overall, an AST provides a way to analyze and understand the structure of code in a more abstract and systematic way.